Hey guys, we're here over by East Market and Bookdole, and my lights went out momentarily, and thankfully we got Akron Fire Department here. Must have been a down line, that's why everything went wonky. But yeah, they don't just put out the fires, they help with all kinds of stuff. Stand back here, a little bit of noise going on. Well, like I said, we're here in Akron, corner of Bookdole and Market, East Bookdole, East Market Street, and this is Potter here by the Burger King. And this is the old women's shelter. Now it's for, women's pregnancy needs. Go over here ahead and get a different angle for you guys. You can see where there's debris in the street. This is where it's dangerous because it's, laying down there. They got it all under control here. I'm not going to stick around while they cut down the whole tree. But let's say a big thank you to Akron firefighters for coming out and helping out. Got some of the people in the neighborhood. Thank you guys, have a good one. Okay, well that's not the only tree that came down today. Right over there is a Burger King, but you can see here a big portion of this tree here fell right down into this park, and luckily there was nobody here. I wonder if they'll be coming for this one next. This one completely blocks the sidewalk. And walk around the road here. See there? This is just a small little park right next to the bus stop and Circle K, and there's usually people right there where this thing came down. It could have been a bad day for somebody. You guys have a good one. I'm out.